Hello, I'm here at Callista Skin and Laser Center in Colleyville, Texas. This video series is on cosmetic skincare and laser procedures performed by physicians and med spas, and will help to give you a better understanding of them and the results that you should expect. Today's video is on photofacials, which is one of the most popular laser procedures performed, and is often the very first treatment women choose to have done when visiting an aesthetics center. This is because the most common complaint most women have about their skin is uneven skin tone. After just a few photofacials, brown spots caused by sun damage, age, or vascular lesions are destroyed, leaving a nice, even skin tone. As the technician moves the handpiece from spot to spot, she delivers a pulse of optical energy in each area. Any of the superficial melanin and hemoglobin present absorbs this light energy, which is converted to heat, raising the temperature of the target lesion to a level required for destruction. Any uneven skin tones due to brown or red spots, such as rosacea, spider veins, and age spots, are also dramatically improved with the photofacial. This skin rejuvenation treatment helps to stimulate collagen production, helping to improve the overall appearance of the skin. But best yet, it requires no downtime. If you want to undo years of sun and environmental damage or redness caused by superficial blood vessels, schedule a photofacial soon. Let's begin working on creating a beautiful, even complexion today. Your skin will look refreshed and more youthful.